Good evening mga idol. Welcome back. Okay. So in this video, i-compare lang natin yung Venom tsaka Blitzblade. But there's a catch kasi sa Blitzblade hindi ko magagamit yung Hellfire weapon ko. And also, so hindi ko magagamit yung Hellfire weapon. Okay? So, this time, we're gonna make it 3 minutes para medyo mahaba yung kasi merong mga skills na 48 seconds yung cooldown. So, at least give it some time para talagang mabitaw talaga nila yung damage nila. Okay? So, let's start with the Venom na level 400 pa rin. Ganun pa rin. Okay? Okay, so i-record muna natin 2,676,159. Okay, and mind you na yung mount natin na gamit ay Flamingo, so hindi natin i-change kasi sayang yung 3 minutes. Okay, ngayon we're gonna go for Blitzblade. So si Blitzblade ay deliberate attack, weapon of darkness. But di natin magagamit si Hellfire weapon kasi both of them are channeling skills. So ang tawag dito, they share the same cooldown. So gamitin natin si Cutting Strike. And yes, 500 siya. Okay. Ibig sabihin, medyo lamang si Blitzblade dito. Okay? Let's go. Okay. So, as you can see, lamang si Blitzblade. Ang result niya ni Blitzblade ay 2,784,613. Definitely lamang si Blitzblade, but I would assume na kapag 500 yung Venom ko and at the same time napamaster ko itong yung Hellfire weapon, I think kasi kapag na-master si Hellfire weapon or kahit dito lang sa maestro level, 9 seconds siya na magraratrat Raratratin niya yan ng 9 seconds and 10 seconds naman kung naging master level. Okay? So, based on this data, I think lamang si Venom ko. Okay? So, there it is. I hope nasagot ko yung question mo. On paper, lamang talaga si Blitzblade, 2.7M. But, take note, level 400 lang si Venom ko. And last part is meron ding isang katanungan, or it's not a question actually, it's a suggestion. So, we're gonna go back to Venom na class. But this time, instead of Fire Spirit, si Ice Spirit yung gagamitin natin. And yeah, kasi the suggestion is that Fire Spirit is gonna give additional 6% na poison damage over time. Okay? So, we're just gonna compare it with the Venom. Same Venom 400 at 3 minutes. But with Ice Spirit as passive. Yan. So it's Venom 400 at 3 minutes but with Ice Spirit as passive. Same mount para in the spirit of fairness and just the abilities yung gagalawin natin. Okay. So again, 3 minutes lang. Let's go. Okay. Wow! That was impressive. Kasi, yeah, same, but I think kung yung imprint ko ay palitan ko ng mga damage over time. 2 point, let's just document this one first. 2.7. Yeah. So lamang yung naka-ice spirit yung passive. But mind you, yung imprint ko hindi ganun kaganda. Okay? Saan ba yung damage over time? Kasi hinahabol ko yung hinahabol ko yung relics ko. Ito, damage over time. Yeah, kapos lang ako sa I'm gonna have to redo this one kasi kapos ako sa sa temporal piece. But I'm gonna have to see to it na meron tayong damage over time. Yun. And definitely babalikan ko tong showdown na to. Okay? So that's it for this video. Again, just a recap. Venom 400 versus Blitzblade 500. Lamang si Blitzblade on paper, but 400 lang si Venom. So I think lamang si Venom. And then Venom 400 versus Venom 400 but with Ice Spirit as passive, lamang yung naka-Ice Spirit. And I think this is significantly gonna improve kung gagalawin ko yung imprints ko. Yun nga lang, hinahabol ko talaga yung sa relic ko kasi yan, gusto ko at least mag 70 or 80 muna yung damage ko or defense, depends. Okay, so good evening sa ating lahat. Thank you for watching. Keep grinding.